No.
No.
Okay, so it is a crisp 70 degrees here and I got long sleeves on. That's how we roll here now. I've been here like 6 months and I guess I'm a wimp now. That's how it works. Let me show you my driveway situation. This is my intercooler. I have to exit on the left side, not the right side. See the difference? Both my windows open. All right, let's talk about the garage first. We'll talk about this a different day. It's all in the back. Like my driveway, I also hate my garage, but I'm glad to have it. I can just barely fit one car in here. I have to retract the mirrors to get it to come in. The van, so shockingly, fits in here. It's very tall, so I feel like there's just a lot of shelf space that I'm missing out on because I'm not allowed to drill holes in the wall or anything. So I just had this giant wall, and this is my shelf. I'm gonna try and cram another shelf in there, but these faucets they have different threads than American faucets. So I can fill water with this, but I can't really put any hoses or anything on it. I've tried adapters and they leak. I have one over here. It's not the best. But, so basically I had to get an adapter from this hose to go to this guy, and from this hose to go to this guy, because this is a different thread pitch than these. By the way, snow tires in Okinawa, if anybody wants some. Cat, neighborhood cat, likes to poop in my tree, all that's all poop. Poop, 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 all poop. Okay, let's go inside. I really like the doors. The doors are really nice. Wood, and these handles are really popular in Japan. I don't know if they are in America. They weren't when I was in America. I just really like it. Ginkan. Uh-oh. How come you're not wearing pants? You gonna put some pants on? Nope, that's not pants. Thank you. From the Ginkan, the whole house is a U. Right to the right is the living room. Right in the middle where all this usable space is, they put a balcony with no view. Okay, so in the Ginkan, I've got all these storage shelves. One big thing about this house that drives me nuts is everything's built in. It's full of built-ins, which means there's not really any space to put any furniture. But I've got all this. Whoa, Coco. I had a key guy. So I'm not allowed to hang anything on the walls. So this is my, I gotta come up with something better. The walls are concrete, but with textured wallpaper over them, which means even if I wanna hang stuff on the walls, I can't because I would have to replace the wallpaper. So that's really unfortunate. All of them, they're all that way. Here is my tatami room. This room is actually really cool. So it has, these are all walls, paper walls, shoji doors. See, and it opens up. Coco loves playing with these. So it all opens up and it makes this room, because there's no place to put a TV in this house. I have my television and speakers. All the air conditioning units in the house are like this. There's no central heating air in the house. There's no floor heaters, nothing like that. It's all these wall-mounted units. This is like Coco's little shoji door she likes to play with. And here is my neighbor. Over here, I have, this is my view. Yeah, it's not the best. This is the only shelves in the whole room. This is our sofa. I really like this. It's just really nice. Yeah, that's really nice. She put her blocks in the cup holders. What are you gonna do?
Hi.
That's, all right. Man balcony. Let's go out here and look. Ta-da! So I've got some lights, actually they're over here. These lights here. And I'm gonna dangle them. There's, again, I can't hang anything on the walls. I could do adhesive hooks, but I'm pretty sure it won't stick on the concrete with this temperature, with this humidity. As you can see, the walls are gross. That is how all buildings look in Okinawa. I'm gonna take string, and I'm gonna hang string from these vents. And I'm gonna drape the lights probably from there. There's a plug there. From there, it's gonna go all the way around. And I'll have a nice little barbecue area here. That's the plan. So this is the first of 1, 2, 4 balconies. 5? This is the first of 4 balconies. It's not as grand as it sounds, I promise, I'll show you. The view from this balcony is awful. Why? Why is this a thing? There's about 40 fruit bats that live in this trees, jungle. There's another word for it in the jungle. There's about 20 fruit bats that live in there, and it's terrifying because I'll be up there on balcony number 3, you know, trying to sip wine and be fancy like I pretend to be, and there's bats just flying. It's ruins it. If you're in Japan, you probably know this is not normal. Here is my apartment in Tokyo, which was actually more expensive. And I had to pay for my parking separately. This is our guest bathroom. It is technically a full bathroom because it has a shower next to the toilet. And you hang the shower curtain here. Yeah, we don't use that. And I like this little cubby here. This is nice. It's storage, but I don't know, it makes me happy. Okay, now our kotatsu is our dining room table that will go back into the tatami room. We have a new dining room table coming. And again, with the built-ins, we've got a bench here with storage. I managed to set up a little coffee stand here. This is what we eat off of right now. Mika's in there cooking, making breakfast. And again, no shelves. The kitchen, there's no real shelving of any kind. And it's actually very narrow for having such a small space. We can't both be in there at the same time. We've got a nice full-size fridge though, so that's nice. And right there to the left is our utility closet full of groceries and stuff. There's also an exit to the front. Okay, so we go up the stairs. Interesting thing here, these stairs were just these bars. In order to rent to us, they were required to put these, zip tie nets is really what they are, zip tie nets on them, which, if you're not careful, I've cut my finger open several times going up the stairs. I also fell down the stairs in my first week holding Coco. That was terrifying. So we use zip tie nets to hang things because we need wall space. More scary stairs. This is where the magic happens. Wallpaper on point. This is Mika's creation room area. This is my creation room area. We both like to create. Hers is with fabrics, see? She makes Coco's costumes. And mine is with Premiere Pro. So these are more built in. So like I could have put a shelf here and I could have made a nice YouTube set or something, but I can't because I have this. The plugs are in here, but there's no way for me to get them out. So I just have to, yeah, it's not the best. Closets are really cool though. They're sliding. This is not paper. It's like a drywall kind of material. And there's these drawers that just fit. Just flush. It's actually really cool. Look at that. This side is my stuff. And this side, wow. It's like, I mix mine and Mika's stuff. Yeah. This is balcony number 2. Okay. It's about 2 feet wide. And this is more of a view. Now we're getting there. So I got fruit bats and grapes. And then I have this view. Look at that. In the morning, it's incredible. Oh my God, I love this view so much. And I put my computer blocking it because I'm stupid. Look at that. I need to move that. Yeah. And then this is like down onto the balcony down there, right? So there's the bathroom. Let me show you the bathroom. Coco, are you climbing the stairs? So here's the bathroom. It's traditional Japanese bathroom, except the tub doesn't heat itself. This was very important for us. We wanted the traditional Japanese bathroom. And then there's the view from the tub. Look at that. Yep. Our laundry machine overheats our clothes and it stinks. Here's our bedroom. This is my favorite chair. This is the bed. Oh, Coco. Yeah. Thank you. I'm busy right now. Dad's trying to be famous. Okay. Look at that. So this is that bookshelf that Mika made for Coco. It's pretty cool. She used some pallets to do it. This is Coco's desk. She actually really likes her desk. You gonna use your desk? Okay. This is our. So if you notice, there's no closet, right? So they had one. So this is our closet. Just this closet that we will share. This is my dresser. Yeah, saving money for car parts. Okay. Whew, the sun is hot. Okay, so it's really windy out here all the time. So I keep the furniture, the chairs on down because the wind just blows them over and I'm worried they're gonna hit the glass. And our cat ruined my outdoor slippers. No, not our cat, our neighbor's cat. I don't have a cat. I wish I had a cat. Yeah, so those are gone. I need to throw them away. So here's the view from this balcony. And this balcony is actually pretty big. So my lights, we'll figure it out. Okay. What are you doing, baby? You want me to read to you? Oh, I guess it's this way. The sloths are upside down. Yeah. Okay, bye. The roof is my favorite part about this house. It's really nice at night, too. Look at that. And this is where I like to sit up and do my studying, but the Wi-Fi doesn't reach because all the walls are concrete. Maybe that's for the best. And here, I have to keep all my furniture on the side. I need to get sandbags or something. Even on regular windy days, it's just, yeah, it's a dog, Coco. It just falls over. And it's got like this other section here, which I haven't decided how to use yet. This is over the creation room. It's all the graves. Graves. Ready to go back inside?